Okay, after reattaching the valve to the hydrant, and we want to reseat our plunger into the valve. With a loosened set screw, raise the handle all the way. Tighten the set screw with a 5/16 wrench. And bring the handle down until we feel the plunger seat. Then loosen the set screw. Drop the handle all the way down and raise your handle so it's approximately in line with the hydrant head, and retighten the set screw. We should have a slight snap action where we're snug. If there was looseness in this handle, it would not be a proper adjustment. We would have to raise our connector, loosen our set screw, raise our connector slightly on the rod extension, and that would give us a tighter fit with our plunger. If our handle would not close, we would have to loosen the set screw, lower the connector slightly on the rod extension, and retighten the set screw, and that would give us our good seal.